The Quran often describes knowledge as our nur or light. And what is the purpose of light? The guide to protect, to prevent us from getting lost when we learn, whether it's math, science lectures, or religion. We are adding a lamp into our lives. The more knowledge we gain, the brighter our path becomes. But light is not only useful if we use it. It becomes a carrying flashlight, but keeping it switched off will not benefit you. In the same way, studying without sincerity or refusing to use knowledge to help others is wasting that light. Let us take the example of Imam Ghazali, one of the most brilliant scholars of Islam. He said, "Knowledge without action is insanity, and action without knowledge is vanity." This means that true success comes from when we connect learning with paid practice. School is not just about memorizing but formalizing or passing tests. It is about shaping the way we live the way we serve and the way we worship to Allah. Or think about Imam Malik. When he was young, his brother dressed him in fine clothes and told him, "Go to your teacher, learn manners before your knowledge." This shows us that school is not only for building intelligence but also for building character, respect for teachers, kindness to classmates, patience during challenges. These are lessons just as important as math or science. Sometimes a student asks, "Why do you have to study a subject that seem unrelated to life?" Let me answer this from an Islamic perspective. School trains us in more than just subjects. Math teaches us discipline and problem solving. Science teaches us the marvel of the creation of Allah. History reminds us of the past mistakes and achievements of humanity. Language gives us the power to communicate the truth. Islamic studies connects us to our faith and purpose. Every subject has wisdom if you look deeply, and every moment of focus, patience, and hard work is building our future selves. The value of hard work Allah tells us in the Quran, and that there is not only for man except that good for which he strives. Nothing in life comes without effort. Success is not given, it is earned. The difference between an average student and an excellent student is not intelligence. It is effort and discipline and perseverance. Even the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that never to give up. He said, "The strong believers is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believers." While there is good in both, strive for that which will benefit you. Seek help from Allah and do not give up. So if you failed at a test, don't quit. If a subject feels hard, don't avoid it. Remember, difficulty is an opportunity to grow stronger. Here is something powerful in school can be transformed into worship with the right intention. Walking to class with the intention of seeking knowledge for Allah, reward. Respecting teachers, reward. Sharing notes with friends, reward. Even struggling to finish homework while being patient, reward. This is Islam. This is why Islam is so beautiful. It teaches us that ordinary daily activities can become extraordinary. Every action of worship if our hearts are sincere. Every action is a worship if our hearts is sincere. My dear brothers and sisters, look around the world. Today, the Ummah is in need. A strong, intelligent, beautiful, faithful leader. We need Muslim doctors, engineers, teachers, scientists, writers, and scholars who carry both knowledge and faith. Who will fill the roles in the future. It might be you. Every great leader started small. Every scholar was once a student like us. What separates them is not magic but is dedication. So the conclusion, next time you feel lazy about school, remember, knowledge raises your rank with Allah. Knowledge is a light in the world. And then next, knowledge can turn your entire school journey into worship. And knowledge is the key to building a better future for yourself, your family, and your ummah. School is not a burden, it is a blessing. It is not punishment in our preparation, and if we approach it with sincerity, Allah, and trust in Allah every day, every page we read, every test we take, every lesson we learn will bring us closer not only to success in life but